Hello, myself Mr. Ramdas Samadhan Suralkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Pratap College, Amarner. Today we are going to discuss a topic in polymer chemistry, that is degradation of polymers. Polymer can be degraded by means of uh, thermal degradation, mechanical degradation, chemical degradation, light induced degradation, and hydrolysis. So thermal degradation takes place by means of high temperature, while mechanical degradation takes place by application of mechanical forces, or we may call it as a shear action. Chemical degradation takes place by means of chemicals like oxygen, ozone, like this. While light induced degradation takes place by means of electromagnetic radiation, that is gamma radiation, or ultrasonic radiation, that is UV radiation. While hydrolysis of a polymer takes place by means of moisture. These are the different ways of degradation of polymeric material. Now we will discuss in detail the thermal degradation of a polymer. So thermal degradation of polymer, depending upon the presence of oxygen, temperature and structure of polymer, degradation and or oxidation reaction will occur. Theoretical point of view, most commercial polymer systems should be relatively stable above their melting point in the absence of oxygen. It is interesting to note that saturated hydrocarbons are much more stable than polyethylene in absence of oxygen, as are chloroalkanes when compared with polyvinyl chlorides. So, if we compare the thermal stability of polymer and non-polymeric material, the thermal stability of a non-polymeric material is higher than that of polymeric material. So, taking an example of straight chain polymer, that is polyethylene and butadiene. So the thermal stability of this butadiene is higher than that of polyethylene. Or take one of the substituted polymer, that is polyvinyl chloride. So if we compare the thermal stability of polyvinyl chloride with that of 2,4,6 trichloroheptane, so it is observed that the thermal stability of this 2,4,6 trichloroheptane, that is non-polymeric material, is higher than that of polymeric material, that is polyvinyl chloride. In some cases, this temperature difference may be as high as 200 degrees centigrade. Means this temperature difference is between the polymeric material and non-polymeric material. So there are two main reasons for this difference in behavior. The first of which is simply that polymers, by virtue of long chain nature, break into a small molecular fragments, that is monomer formation via unzip reaction. So thank you.